Hi everyone, I'll be teaching you guys how to create an account or set up your VPS account with Hostek. I'll be providing the link below the video, and then all you need to do is just click this one. So you'll be on this page. Make sure to click that link because that one is affiliated with Vito's account. It means that he'll get something to help him cover up the fees for Hostek. When you reach this page, just click Products and then Windows VPS. And then click the first one, the Starter Windows VPS. It will only cost $5 for the first month. Okay? I'll be sending you the fees later. Just click on Get Started. And yep, select this one. But no, they are not going to automatically bill you on your PayPal. Okay? Because what they would do is they're going to inform you about your due date, but not bill you automatically. And if you're not going to be able to pay next month, like for example, since we're just testing this, they will not charge you right away. They'll just wait for you to pay. And then, since you all have your domain, just click for me, I'll be using my World Classify where I am running my Millet VPS. Like, you see here, the example is server.yourdomain.com. So you just type any name, but for me, I'll type VPS that World Classify dot, wait, I kind of forgot. Oh yeah, worldclassify.com. Wait, VPS.worldclassify.com. Make sure to use where you are running your Millet. Use that domain for the host name. Okay. You don't need to change any of this. Oh wait, let me double check because I kind of did this. I did this before already. Just I only did it once, so I have to. Okay, yeah. My SSQL 2014 Express. Choose that one because it's for free. And then the MySQL latest version. And then smarter. Wait, I actually can read it. This one, Pro 25. Yeah, it doesn't have any fees. Wait, let me double check. Oh, the domain one. Smarter Mail, domain 10. Wait. Domain 10 mailboxes. Okay, great. The first option. One website. No additional fees. Okay, see that? It would say that it's $29.99, but remember before we reached this page, it says for the first month it's only $5. So just click on continue, and then here's the promotion code. No need to search for it. And then click checkout. Then just type in all the information here that you need to I'm using my personal email address, so I would know when they're going to send me the I'm putting world classified there because that's my domain, but it's up to you. Street address, state, Cubao. Oh no, never mind. Okay. I would really suggest you to use your personal email because no, wait. So they can send you important reminders. Like for example, when your first month trial is about to end. Okay. Yeah. It's up to you what you're going to write there. Confirm passwords. Then you have to choose, what was your dream job as a child? This. Okay. We'll give you an option to whether pay with a credit card or PayPal, so better use your PayPal because that's where I'm sending the $5 fee for your VPS. That's all. Then make sure to click the box here and complete order. Okay, why it's not invalid phone number? Why? It says I said Philippines. So weird. Okay. So if it did that, just change it to 1 and then period. Okay, complete order. Oh, okay. Yeah, because I had a VPS with them before, so that's why it's giving me an error. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do it again. Okay. Okay, there you go. Password for this site. Yep. Update password. No. Okay. And then check out. When you reach to this page, just click check out here. That will bring you to the PayPal page. Yep. Okay, and then pay now. Okay, return to merchant. Okay, successful. Back to, and then after it says payment was successful, just click to back to client area. And that it would take a few hours or 24 hours before before your account gets activated. So just wait for that. Yeah, okay, I already have one invoice. Yep. And then after paying for this, they will send you an email once your VPS is ready for use. Okay? Thank you. Bye.